So here we are, we finally got our new house built, and I'm in one of the girls' bedrooms, and we've got some roller shades that we got from selectblinds.com, and I'm going to show you how to put them up. Yeah, so these are the two mounting brackets, and you don't really have to measure anything here. They want you to put them a couple of inches on the inside of each side of the window. I'm going to put a couple of screws in them, and that's going to be it. And really, they just pop in. They have two little channels that they kind of slide in. And 2 clicks, and that's it. Let's get the other one mounted. 2 down, only 1 more to go. I told you this was going to be easy. So I told you it was going to be really easy to hang these blinds. Maybe on another project, another day, I'll show some of my real handyman skills, but a couple of mounting brackets. You've already got these beautiful blinds that you've pre-measured for. They're adjusted to length, they fit just right, so you won't be disappointed. Check out selectblinds.com, and it's a super easy process, and they'll take care of you.